Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be covering how to use Windscribe VPN for Android. So this is going to be pretty easy. First, what we're going to do is simply head over to a browser of your choice from your cell phone device or your tablet. Once you do that, we are going to be needing to be clicking on this particular option on the first place, which is Windscribe. So we're going to be heading over to that. Simply jump right onto that. You can see we have this option of download for Android. We're going to be clicking on that and it will be taking us to direct download link. You can see we have multiple options in here to download it, and yeah, so basically that's how you can get it. Now if I go back, you can see we have download for Android option. Make sure to sign up to the account, and once you download it, you're going to be needing to signing up onto the platform to connect it. And yeah, then finally we are going to be picking a location to connect to the VPN instantly, and that is going to be completing our process. And I hope I was clear. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.